any of you guys are coming here from the last video on the VSXX, stay tuned. Please subscribe, guys, because a lot of guys aren't subscribed right now to help the channel out. Alright guys, so first step is we're going to do this ground. We're going to use these splices that come with the kit. So let's find this wire and then splice it in. Alright guys, so here's the connector right here. And we're going to do this brown guy right here. We're going to splice that in. Alrighty, so we got it all wired up. We got the yellow going into the ECU, white going away from the ECU with the 2 bullet connectors. Then if worst case, we could just plug them right together. And then we have the power and ground spliced into those 2 wires. I made this little quick sheet, so the yellow is going to be the one going right to the ECU, and then the white is the one that's going to be going to the sensor side. So take a picture, pause the video right there, so just to help you guys out, a little easier. Alrighty, so as we know, it starts, which is good. Idling real low just because of the no IAC life. I didn't have my buddy weld up that. Our welder can't do aluminum. We set it to 7 right now, so right now it's on setting 7. What that does, I got no fucking clue. But it's on 7. That's as much as I can tell you guys. JZs are fucking wild. This thing is idling at probably 400. Let me just let it warm up, and we'll get back to driving it once it warms up, guys. So let's get it warmed up and then we'll go from there. We'll do a couple pulls. Hopefully the camera doesn't fall. I wonder if I can like hold something. All right, and here we go. Doesn't boost cut or fuel cut. The fuel cut's gone. Our AFRs went from 10.8 to now we're at like 11.2. Which is great. Yeah, so car's great, guys. Fuel cut defender work. I definitely seen that it's very touchy. Obviously you can't adjust it with the car running or it will stall. You can't really, like I thought it comes arrow pointing at 12. I put it at 7, so it's like what, 5 clicks? So I thought 5 clicks because I was hitting the boost cut and like I feel that I have 14-pound spring. I thought I was good, but the 5 clicks adjusted the MAF signal so much that it started leaning out, and it felt like that issue. So I'm guessing my issue was me leaning out a lot. I'm wondering if my vacuum switching valve on my fuel pressure regulator was going out, and that was the issue I was seeing. Like sometimes that vacuum changeover valve sometimes maybe didn't work, and I would sometimes not gain fuel pressure with boost pressure. So far, car's been really good. Now I have been driving it a lot more. Sorry guys, you guys know the deal. Right-hand drive trying to make a left turn in traffic. So I had to make sure no cars were coming. But the car performs so well. I'm very happy with it. Fuel cut defender, literally I put it one setting, so I put it at 11. 1 click towards cut. And fuel cut defender is installed. We tied into the ECU connector as you guys saw. We just tied the same power and ground from an ECU power source just to know that it's always on, so we don't really worry about it. And then you just splice in line with the MAF signal. Super easy to do. And we shall do one more, but I'll put the camera towards the car this time so you guys can see. We're in 2nd gear. We look like we're clear. You guys can't see anything. It's so... Oh well. Let's see if you guys can see the boost gauge. All right, ready? Here we go. 2nd gear. more than one bar there, but that's okay. I guess certain loads, certain air temp, we will hit it. Well, we are zoomed way in. You guys do not want to see me that bad. Yeah, super happy with it so far, guys. It's good. I'm trying to think of what actually we have to do. Like, this is like something I wanted to do, is install the fuel cut defender just to be safe. Rather be safe than sorry, because obviously it can't be good hitting a fuel cut all the time. Can't be good for the engine. It's a big shot. Like, if you guys ever experienced one JZ or any kind of JZ fuel cut, it's violent. Like, it's fucking just falls on its face. Let's see what kind of pressure we get again. Yeah, it's still only at 1 bar. That's fine. We have a 14-pound spring, which is good. I'd rather be at the specified boost that I'm supposed to be at. Yeah, I got nothing really else to say. Car's performing great. Now we have the fuel cut defender in, so if we end up doing anything else, we got room to grow here, guys. Car's great. Looks great now with the VSXX. As you guys saw in the last video, you guys did great on that video. I'm super hyped that a lot of you guys liked it. If any of you guys are coming here from the last video on the VSXX, stay tuned, because this car is finally getting driven now, and we're actually going to start doing some cool shit with it instead of just building it. I have nothing else left to say, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Probably going to be a short one. I'm sorry, there's not much to record on this one, but please subscribe, guys, because a lot of guys aren't subscribed right now, and I'd love for the subscription, because it'll help the channel out and help everybody else out to see some cool shit, because I feel like this car is super cool, and JZXs are best, and Mark IIs are really good. I'm not saying they're the best, but because all the other ones are equally just as good. But just stay tuned, guys. Like the video, comment, share it, whatever you guys do, and please subscribe, because that helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And the next one hopefully is a cool one, maybe some burnouts and shit. I just don't have anybody to record me doing a burnout right now, or I'd love to. That's it, guys. I hope you guys like, comment. That's it. I said it 5 times, but I'll say it 6 times, guys. Subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.